This is what a 2024 GMC 3500 looks like when it gets a full lift, wheels, tires, and color match makeover. And we're going to see why this could be the best build for you. What is up, guys? This is Kyle with Krietz Customs, and today we are going to break down this 2024 GMC 3500, everything from the lift, wheels, tires, the window tint, and the color match paint. We're going to go over everything that we did, why we did it, and why that could incorporate into something you may be looking to do in the future. As always, leave your comments in the comment section below. All right, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the level kit that we did put on this truck. So we did put the Cognito Stage 2 leveling kit on this truck, and that kit does come with torsion keys. It comes with new upper control arms, as well as the Fox 2.0 monotube shocks front and rear. And as you guys can see, this is a super great kit. This is something that's not quite as big as we've been doing recently with some of these 5 and 7 inch kits. In my opinion, guys, this level kit keeps this truck very practical for everyday use. For you guys looking to tow, it makes it a lot easier for you guys to get in towing situations where you can use this truck like you should versus some of the bigger kits themselves. It gives it a good aggressive look and good stance while allowing for a larger wheel and tire, which really sets this truck off. All right, getting right into the wheels and tires. On this truck, we did put a set of 35, 12, 50, 24 Nitto Recon grapplers. Awesome tire, comparable to the Nitto Ridge Grappler. Treads a little tighter as you get to the inner treads there, so it is more of an all-terrain tire, but still rides fantastic. Super great looking tire as well. And then we went with the 24-inch KG1 Tridents. And as you guys can see, that is in the polished finish, and they do come with the spike lug nut kit as well. The KG1's an awesome alternative for people looking to switch it up out of the American Forces, as those are super common as well. But these wheels have a fantastic look to them. When we mount and balance a set of wheels and tires like this, roughly that package is going to run somewhere around $10,000 to set up for this specific kit. And this setup here fits this truck absolutely perfect. As you guys can see on this truck, cutting this wheel lock to lock, there's no rubbing at all. We did not have to trim any of the felt liners inside of the fender wells. No lower valence, no bumper, anything like that. Nothing on the mud flaps like we usually do with our wheel and tire setup. So like I said, keeping this truck super practical, especially for people who don't want to have to trim at all on their vehicles. All right, guys, ultimately what tops this build off is this badass custom paint job. This truck headed over to our custom paint shop after we were done with the lift, wheels, and tires. And we went ahead and painted to match some of the components I'm gonna go over with you guys on this truck. So we went ahead, took the hood trim off, was able to paint that white to match the rest of the truck, as well as the upper and lower grille surround pieces here as well, which kind of ties it in with the rest of the body. Being this is a Denali, keeping the chrome, tying that in with the wheels and some of the other trim on this vehicle, leaving that grille chrome, I think is a key aspect to why this truck looks the way it does. And then the other thing on the front end of this truck is this lower valence piece here, up and around the tow hooks, and then below the front bumper itself. We went ahead and paint and match that. Moving along to the side of this truck, we did go ahead and remove the fender flares, paint them to match the truck as well, and same with the back portion here of the bumper. They made this the textured black piece, which doesn't really tie in with the bumper itself, so something that we're doing on all of our paint to match trucks is just going ahead and matching that piece to the rest of the truck. We did smoke out the side markers as well while we had the fender flares off the vehicle, and that is a nice dark finish. It almost looks like a painted piece, but what that is a tinted clear coat, and that allows that light to shine through and still be usable and work like it's supposed to. The other thing we did as well would have been the mirror caps. So we went ahead, did the bases, the caps, and then the arm as well on the mirror, leaving the chrome, like I said, to tie in the other chrome aspects of the vehicle. That white ties right in with the rest of the truck. A paint job we usually price on a case-by-case basis. We like to see exactly what you're looking to have done. A paint job like this specifically through our custom paint shop is going to run anywhere from like $5,000 to $7,000. Like I said, if you guys want to do something like that, just give us a ring, let us know. We can work out the final details and see exactly where you would be on your personal paint job. All right, so after we got done with the truck over at the paint shop, we took it over to our in-house tint shop. For you guys who are not familiar, we do have that option now as well for you to bring your vehicle to us or vehicles that you're purchasing, and we'll tint them right here in-house. We did 20% on the driver and passenger windows. That's gonna match perfectly with the rear of this truck, as well as 35% on the windshield itself. We do use 3M films, which is top of the line products. We offer a color stable crystalline and a ceramic tint, and that does come with the warranty as well. So for you guys looking to have tint done, give us a ring, let us know what you want to do. We can definitely get you a price quote to do something similar to this, or whatever kind of percentage options that you want on your personal vehicle. All right, guys, this truck is a Denali Reserve, so this truck does come with some awesome features I'm gonna go over with you guys. So first things first that I noticed when I opened this door up is the color of the leather in here. This two-tone seat is awesome as it complements the truck. These seats are equipped with heated and air conditioning. This truck does have the fully digital instrument cluster, as well as the larger infotainment screen, and all of your controls right here easily accessible. This truck does also feature a sunroof. It has things such as the camera in the rear view mirror, the heads-up display, adaptive cruise control features like that. So a lot of high-end technology on this truck, as it should be in a truck that is a Denali. All right, guys, this is the perfect mix of a truck that you can incorporate all of the aspects of other trucks that we do without making this truck impractical to use. Still allow for the larger wheels and tires with the level kit, the paint to match to tie it all together, as well as the window tint. Let us know what you guys think in the comments below of this truck. Is it not enough? Is it too much? We always appreciate the feedback. This truck is on our website if you want to check out this one or any of the other trucks we have for sale, or if you guys are looking to build your truck similar to this one or have any ideas of your own, give us a call at 301-694-4642. And as always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube page. We will see you guys next time. That is a wrap. Peace.